Hi, I'm Stephanie Muska. We're here in Miami, Florida at ITEXPO 2013. And today I'm joined by Teresa Jose, Product Marketing Manager at Altitude Software. Teresa, thanks so much for being here today.
Thank you for having me here.
Absolutely. So why don't we talk a little bit about Altitude?
Well, Altitude, we are now celebrating 20 years in the industry. So we started in 1993. We developed unified customer interaction solutions. So we are a software company that is based, headquartered in Portugal, but we have offices in 17 different countries. Our installed base is over 300,000 licensed users, and with presence in 80 countries. We serve all types of industries. Major customers are in bank, insurance, healthcare, but also CRM outsourcers and BPOs. But any industry that serves a customer may need a call center.
And you've obviously been in the industry for, you said 20 years, which is great.
20 years.
So obviously things have changed.
Yeah.
So I mean, you guys have obviously been able to kind of stay up to date in terms of what's happening and how to make things better. If there was anything in terms of the call center, contact center industry that you could do differently, what would it be?
Yeah, well, one of the things that we would do differently is to raise the awareness of the importance of the agents in the organization, because they are the ones that are facing our customers. And I think the industry and currently the down economy has done that a little, because now everyone is trying to focus more on the customer. So the call center importance and the way that the call center adapts fast to the market is something that everyone is recognizing. But one of the things that we are doing, we are issuing awards for best agents. So yesterday we had our gala in Spain, the 4th Years Awards. It has been running for several years now, and the best agents in the industry are recognized. They go to a nice gala, they receive the award, and this is something that has increased a lot the expectations of the agent to grow in the company.
You're absolutely right. I mean, the customer is obviously the most important, and you guys, aim to achieve that with your services. And that's been a huge trend at the show this week as well. So I mean, I think that's great that you're recognizing them in that way. Just in terms of your offerings, can you talk a little bit about maybe anything new going on?
We started as EasyPhone, so the change in the industry to have new medias also made us change our name. So now we are Altitude. So.
Sure.
But also we introduced the concept. The name of our product is Altitude UCI. We have now released version 8, Altitude UCI 8, and UCI stands for Unified Customer Interactions. And this concept was introduced by Altitude back in the 90s. So I think we were pretty innovative at that era. Currently in version 8, we support all types of media. So we have email, texting, SMS, we have chat, instant messaging, and of course we have the voice, inbound and outbound, and now the social media, Facebook and Twitter. And all our solutions have been developed in-house, so they are completely integrated. So it's not a piecemeal approach, and it all runs in a unified queue with intelligent routing and delivered to the agents in a unified desktop environment. So this has reduced a lot the training needs. So if a company is already using email, it's very easy to reuse the knowledge base and to adapt agents to respond now to Twitter or to chat and to use the same logic. Also in version 8 we have introduced workflow. So now you can also have back office agents, and this has been a tendency that we also see. Back office coming together with the call center, or call center expanding in the organization. And so now we can blend with all the other tasks, or without all the other interactions with the customers, also tasks and processes. Another important thing in version 8 is that we have now real-time analytics. So the term for our UCI 8 is maximize business in real time, because you can define business data, business metrics, and have that available to your agents, to your team, and that have it based on your profile. So you can do actionable things because you know that you are affecting your own KPIs.
Well, I mean, it seems like you guys have a really unified solution in terms of the different functionalities that it offers, and I think it's great that you're integrating the social aspect, because that's so important for contact centers today in terms of getting feedback from the customers.
Yes, certainly it is, and we have several panels here discussing that, and still we see a lot of organizations that work in silos, and this has been now a top management assignment and strategy to break those silos and to have everyone more focused on the customer. And definitely having a unified solution that can have unified customer history. So if you are in a branch of a bank, then you would know also what happened with this customer on social media or when he interacted via voice with the call center. And it's much easier to retain customers and to even grow with your own customers.
Of course, and I mean, obviously you guys just celebrated 20 years, so that's a huge accomplishment. So
yeah, we're very happy.
Yeah, definitely. Best of luck to everything in the future. We really appreciate you being on the show today, Teresa.
Thank you.
Thank you.